Hi, I'm Shalmali Zadhav and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I create videos on self-development and personal growth. Well, today's video is going to be based on a different concept. This is not going to be a normal video where I talk about things and tell you do this, do that. However, in this video, we're going to discuss a few things. It is called as a book date. I'm an avid reader and I love reading books, and the genre that I basically like is self-help. I have read a lot of self-help books, and I would encourage everyone to start reading books if you aren't doing, because that has really transformed me. The person I was before reading books and the person I have become after starting reading books has really a lot of wisdom to share. Self-help books are my go-to place when it comes to finding wisdom, when it comes to finding motivation, and then in turn sharing that wisdom and motivation with all of you. And that is why this book date idea came to my mind. However, this concept of a book date is a little different from book club. In book club, people start reading the book together, they end reading the book together, and after reading, they discuss it together. However, in book club, I am going to share the learnings that I read from that book. So that is the main concept behind book date. The main intention is because I used to get a lot of messages asking for book recommendations, because you see I read a lot of books. You have seen my stories on Instagram, you have seen my status on WhatsApp. I am very active when it comes to social media and when it comes to posting about books. And that is why I used to get a lot of messages asking for book recommendations, and that's where this concept of book date came to my mind. I thought, why not make a monthly video where I talk about the book I read. However, when it comes to reading books, I usually read 2-3 books per month. But we can't make 2-3 date book videos every month, and that is why I decided that I'll pick one of my favorite books that I read every month and share the learnings. Now again, this video is not going to be a long video. I'll be sharing the whole story and talking about everything. But in a book date video, I'll be sharing only 5 learnings or 5 lessons, or will be summarizing that book in 5 points. So that's going to be a really short video, and I'll be sharing my learnings from that book with you. So that's the basic concept behind the whole book date. First book date video, we are going to discuss the book Tuesdays with Morrie. I finished reading this book in the first week of March, and I decided why not pick this book and talk about the lessons that we learned. However, this book describes about a lot of lessons, the things that we belittle but play a very important role in our overall lifestyle, in our overall well-being. And that is why today in this video, I'm going to share 5 learnings from the book Tuesdays with Morrie. In the book Tuesdays with Morrie, the author Mitch writes about his college professor Morrie, who was suffering from a life-threatening disease. In this book, the author focuses on how the professor helped him understand the complex things of life. As Morrie told him in the book, study me in my low and patient demise. Understand what happens and learn with me. And that's what the author did. He learned a lot of complex things, especially with his visits to the professor. Now here are the 5 lessons that I want to share with you so that it encourages you to read this book. Number 1. Forgive not only others but also yourself. Here's what Morrie has to say. We need to forgive ourselves for all the things we didn't do, all the things we should have done. You can't get stuck on the regrets of what should have happened. In this book, Morrie taught the author the practice of forgiveness. And this practice of forgiveness is not only for others, but also for ourselves. We may regret the things in past, but we should know that not everything is in our control. And now this takes me to my second learning. Morrie says, live your life as it was your last day. Morrie says, every day have a little bird on your shoulder that asks, is today the day? Am I ready? Am I doing all that I want to do? Am I the person that I want to be? Isn't it insightful? Most of the times we take our time for granted. The time to spend with our family, the time to hang out with our friends, the time to do things that we love. And this is because most of us think that we have a lot of time to do right things. But my friends, you won't know when we have to say goodbye. So we should give away everything and not wait for the right time to express our love for people around us. Although some of us don't like to think about it, but we all know that eventually our hearts are going to stop beating. And that is why all we have is now. So we should give our best and not wait for the special time to express our love. This takes me to my third learning. He says, stop chasing the wrong things. Maurice says, so many people walk around with a meaningless life. They seem half asleep, even when they are busy doing things they think are important. This is because they're chasing the wrong things. The way you get meaning in your life is to devote yourself to loving others. Devote yourself to your community around you and devote yourself to creating something that gives you purpose and meaning. Most people are blinded by money and fame, and that is the reason they often chase wrong things. They discard the time that they have to spend with their family. They discard the time they have to spend with their friends because they feel satisfied in materialistic things. But for us to find meaning and joy in life, being a part of your community and devoting yourself to your community, and not only loving yourselves but others, because this can bring happiness and joy in your life that no amount of money can give you. Me to my third learning. Maurice says the only thing that dies is our body and not our relationship with others. He has mentioned in his book, as long as we can love each other and remember the feeling of love we had, we can die without ever really going away. All the love you created is still here. All the memories are still there. You live on in the hearts of everyone you have touched and nurtured while you were here. When we die, it's the only body that is going away and not our relationship with our friends, family or community. We will be remembered on how we were with them when we were still alive. So the people that we have helped, however small it is, will always leave an unforgettable space in their hearts. This takes me to my final learning. Be compassionate and help others. Maurice says in the book, whites and blacks, Catholics or Protestants, men and women, if we saw each other as more alike, we might be very eager to join in a big human family in this world and to care about that family the way we care about our own. We might be different, but we need to accept people who are different from us. According to Mori, we are stronger together. What he really wants us to realize that we have to be compassionate and kind-hearted towards others, because that's the only thing that will make us and the people around us happy. Yes guys, so those were my 5 learnings from the book Tuesdays with Mori. But definitely if you have learned any other lessons and you would love to share with us, please drop down those lessons in the comments below. Currently I'm reading the book Atomic Habits, and very soon I'll shoot the video about the next book date. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel for the next book date video. And also, let's keep learning together and growing together. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye, and I'll see you soon.